Welcome to channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the 10 foods that fight and prevent cancer. The foods that involve in fighting and prevention of cancer. Now let's start. Certainly here are 10 superfoods. I already discussed the benefits of superfoods from my channel Passion Food and Health. There are 10 superfoods that are often associated with potential cancer fighting and preventive properties. The number one is broccoli, packed with sulforaphane. Broccoli is known for its potential to stimulate the body's natural detoxification enzymes and may have anti-cancer effects. Broccoli have strong anti-cancer effects. The number two is berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, include anthocyanins, which may help protect cells from damage. The berries. Number third is turmeric. Turmeric is also involved in prevention of cancer. Turmeric is curcumin. The active compounds in turmeric has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And number four is garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with potential anti-cancer properties. It is known for the anti-cancer properties. Immune boosting. Number five is leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like kale and spinach or Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing a nutritional boost for overall health. Number six is tomatoes. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to reduce risk of certain anti-cancer, particularly prostate cancer. Tomatoes are involved to reduce prostate cancer broadly. And next is green tea. Green tea is also involved in prevention and fighting against cancer. Green tea is loaded with polyphenols. A compound polyphenols, particularly catechins, which have shown potential anti-cancer effects by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Green tea inhibits growth of cancer cells. The next is nuts and seeds. Very important. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, fibers, antioxidants, offering potential cancer-fighting benefits. Nuts and seeds are very important in fighting and prevention of cancer. Next is fatty fish. Fatty fish are also involved. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel fish are excellent source of omega-3 fatty acid, which may have anti-inflammatory properties and contribute to cancer prevention. Fatty fish are involved in cancer prevention. The next but not least, the cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts contain compounds that may help to reduce cancer and fight cancer. Remember, by incorporating these superfoods, your diet may contribute to overall health and cancer prevention. Thank you very much.